at Radisson Blu, Ikeja, Lagos have always been a charming mix of luxury and comfort. But with the advent of COVID-19, we have taken further steps to ensure that they remain germ-free havens. Let's walk you through our comprehensive cleaning process. Armed with personal protective equipment and germ-killing agents, our room service staff thoroughly clean and sanitize every area of the space with the utmost of care. When bedding and dirty linen are changed, so are the protective gloves worn by our staff to ensure that no germs are transferred to fresh bedding. After thoroughly ridding all surfaces of dust and unseen particles, an antiseptic spray is used to disinfect every surface, nook and cranny, from the headboards to the tables and even the remote control. No single area of the room is left untouched.